Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an app icon that is different from your default one. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to make sure that you have an image in mind that you would like to replace your app icon with. I'll stick to this duck one over here. It's already inside of my drawable folder, which you can check out my previous video to see how I moved in my files into drawable. What I'll do here is I'll just right click on it and click on copy path and reference. And I will click on absolute path. And I'll need that for changing my icon. So the next thing I'll do is I'll do a right click on res, click on new, click on image asset, and in here where it says the path, I will just replace it with the one that I copied. And you can already see that my duck is in here. You can also feel free to edit it. So you can like click on trim, you can resize it. It's pretty cute. I actually love it a lot. You'll notice that there is a little bit of a background here. For that, you can change the color. So if you click on background layer, click on color, you can change it to white, and you can see that your app icon looks pretty decent. So when you are satisfied with how your thing looks, you can click on next, and it'll just tell you here that's going to replace the defaults, all the default files for the Android default icon. Um, and then when you're ready, you'll click finish, and that pretty much is it for setting your app icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.